Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. So we do every week, this is going to be the 5 stocks we are watching this week. First one going to be Netflix, second one Meta, third one Uber, fourth one Nvidia, and then the fifth one being Coin. Hope you guys have a great week and look forward to trading with you all on Monday. Thank you. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is going to be breaking down the market. What I'm going to be using this time is /NQ, and this is actually going to be the NASDAQ futures. What we're seeing here is we're trying to form an uptrend bounce here. You can see we're forming a sequence of higher lows, nice bounce here. Now we're trying to form a series of lower lows here. And really where this all started was a very hot CPI report here on 9/13. Drastic selling pressure trapping these bulls here to the upside. Tried to make a move up here and completely sold off here on, what day was this? 9/15. Really want to see this if we can hold this 11,928 region. Everyone was eyeing this level here to go short on a break and lower low above or below this candle. And what can sometimes happen is if we do get this lower low here and we actually shake above it, this is going to cause those short sellers to get stopped out and transition into pushing the market up here into 12,131, 12,235.91 and move to the upside. Coincidentally, market on Friday closing right at this 11,928 region. You can see it's moving a little bit after hours, but close right here. Needs to hold this level here at 11,928. If we do end up getting a break, I'll break down into 11,806. Breaks this level, good potential to test down here into this 11,330 region. Obviously a ways off, but that would confirm that lower low region, and each bounce should be expected to be sold off here. So watching this, if we do hold 11,928, expecting a nice move up here this week. From a weekly time frame perspective, this is not looking very good. Making a new low here, closing right at the low of this 9.5 candle, which makes it tricky because you don't really get a for sure confirmation of a short because we didn't technically close below this weekly candle, but we did make new lower lows, which is not a bullish sign here. So watching this potential, there's really two potentials here. A nice inside day next week or an inside weekly candle, hopefully closing near the high of this body of this candle, or two, confirmation of this breakdown here, closing or breaking below the low of this weekly candle, and a move to the downside with potential into that 11,483, 11,400 region below. So keep an eye on that, but overall, looking weak unless we do hold this 11,928 area and trap those shorts from Friday. First move is going to be one that's been on our watch list previously. It's going to be Netflix. We're still in this consolidation base here, trying to fill this gap region from 420 where we had that massive earnings miss. I'm sure a lot of you guys remember that, and a huge move to the downside. So let's zoom in here. Really what we're seeing is a lot of trending chop here, basically from this 822 candle all the way here to 915, trying to hold above this 233.97, 234 whole dollar region here. Obviously a very strong resistance, right? We tried to move up here, tried to break this bear flag, failed, rejected the downside. We continuously fail and can't hold above. So if we do hold above, I'm expecting a lot of longs to come back into this name, push it up into this 248.97 region above. One thing I also like here from a perspective of this Friday candle is we did make a new low below this candle right here. And what this oftentimes does is it traps those shorts below this level. And then we immediately reversed and pushed up here on Netflix. So closing at 2.5x volume, very nice strength relative to the market. Liking this setup here if we do hold 234 for a move up into that 248.97 potential this week. The second play, Meta, I'm sure a lot of you guys have it on watch, hitting 52-week lows, and there's really two potentials here on this one. The first one being if we do curl, I do think if we rebid this 148.95 region, we can get a nice daily push up into 153.28. So that will be the first scenario here, reclaim highs off of this candle and get a nice hammer formation here up into 153.28. Second potential is a continued lower low move in making fresh new lows below this Friday candle here. I do think if we crack that 144.38 region, we can sell off into that 142.25 daily or 3-year daily support region. And then the biggest macro support region below in this blue level is going to be actually the COVID low, which is at 137.10. So that obviously is going to present a very, very strong support region to keep on watch. But again, watching this, two potentials: either we make a new high over 148.95 or we break this candle low to short this down to the upside. Really what I would like to see for a short is a nice bullish candle buying here, and then the following day, so on Tuesday, a net new low below this low to confirm the downtrend move here. Third play of the week, one that's forming a cup and handle. So you can see the cup move here, broke out. Now we're pulling into this handle. This gap down is caused by a weak open here on the market on Friday, so you can expect to see that move down. Trading 2x volume, closing near the high of day, indicating strength here on this one. So obviously a lot of buyers present here. What I want to see is a break above this 32.66 region. You can see we tried to break here. We finally broke and pushed here, but a lot of rejections here in this level. So if we can clear this, then we can clear 33.84. I do think we can finally see a nice strong breakout here on Uber. Potential to move up into 35 and above that into that 37.25 region, but looking very, very strong here within the coming week. Nvidia, another name moving to lows on weakness, but on Friday, here's some relative strength. The clear downtrend move here all year on Nvidia, trying to form and curl up here to the upside. Let's zoom out to the weekly chart here on this one. Again, what this is a textbook bear flag. You can see the flag here, bullish candle making new lows. Now what you want to see is, first, for a long setup, I would want to see this above this candle high here at this 145 region for a move to the upside. Obviously drastically off from 132 where we're at now. For ideal weekly confirmation, that's what I'm looking for, as we did make new weekly lows here. As from a daily perspective, let's zoom in here. Trying to form a curling formation here. You can see we're trying to make this curling formation. We're closing right at the high of this candle. Watching for a day two follow through here, ideally through 134.54, to take this up into this candle high up here into that 138.81 region. So again, want to see 134.54 for an upside move here on Nvidia. Last one is going to be coin, and we're going to be in this descending wedge move here, but potential to break out of it here. So going off of this high here and the rejection here off of 915, let's see if we can curl and make this breakout here, ideally through 79.91, round up to an $80 psychological region. I do think we can see a move up into this 86.42 region. So watching this to break this downtrend line here for a move to the upside with potential into 86.42 this week. That being said, that wraps up our weekly watch list. If you did enjoy this video, if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested in getting our course alerts and more, feel free to check out simplified-investing.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Hope you all have a great week and a great weekend. Thank you.